Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping inside an extraordinary £11 million historic mansion tucked away in the prestigious suburb of Chislehurst on the edge of London. This is where timeless British heritage meets modern luxury, and trust me, this one is special. As you approach through the private gated entrance, the first thing you notice is the sheer presence of the home. Chislehurst itself is known for its grand estates, historic architecture, and connections to royalty and aristocracy, making it one of southeast London's most desirable residential pockets. The driveway opens up to reveal a stately facade classic, elegant, and unmistakably British. This is not just a house, it's a legacy property. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a grand reception hall. High ceilings, intricate detailing, and a sense of scale immediately set the tone. Homes like this often date back over a century, with many properties in the area originally built in the late 1800s and carefully extended over time. There's a balance here. You get that historic charm, but everything feels refined for modern living. Flowing from the entrance, you'll find multiple reception rooms, formal yet inviting. These spaces are designed for entertaining, whether it's hosting elegant dinners or relaxed family gatherings. Large windows flood the rooms with natural light. While period features remind you of the home's heritage, you can imagine evenings here, fireplaces lit, soft lighting, and a real sense of calm away from the city. Even though central London is just a short journey away, now, the kitchen is where tradition meets contemporary design. Expect bespoke cabinetry, premium appliances, and a layout that's both functional and beautiful. In many high-end Chislehurst homes, kitchens are designed as open-plan social spaces, blending cooking, dining, and living into one seamless experience. It's the kind of space where everything happens, from morning coffee to late-night conversations. Heading upstairs, the bedroom suites continue that theme of understated luxury. The principal suite is expansive, often featuring a dressing room and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. Additional bedrooms are equally impressive, perfect for family, guests, or even transforming into offices or creative spaces. But now, let's talk about the standout feature, the indoor swimming pool. This isn't just a pool, it's a full leisure complex. In properties at this level, these spaces are designed as private wellness retreats, often including relaxation areas, changing facilities, and ambient lighting that transforms the atmosphere completely. Imagine having your own spa right inside your home, usable all year round, completely private. Stepping outside, the grounds are just as impressive. Landscaped gardens stretch across the property, offering privacy, greenery, and space to unwind. Many estates in this area sit on multiple acres, giving you that rare combination of countryside tranquility and London connectivity. Whether it's summer gatherings, quiet walks, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this space delivers. Chislehurst itself has a rich history. Just nearby is Camden Place, a historic mansion dating back to 1717 that once housed Napoleon III during his exile, highlighting the area's deep historical roots. Living here isn't just about luxury, it's about being part of a story that spans centuries. So there you have it, an £11 million historic mansion in Chislehurst that perfectly blends heritage, scale, and modern luxury. From grand interiors to a private indoor pool and expansive grounds, this home truly represents the pinnacle of London suburban living. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know, would you live here? I'll see you in the next one.